Yo, what's up? Let me get this mask off, man. What's up, man? It's Polo back to you with another video, man. I'm in Mason City, Iowa. As you can see, got me a pickup going on. Finna be on my way to California. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, which I don't celebrate Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna go within and get in touch with my ancestors on that day, see what I need to know. And yeah, y'all gonna see the journey, man. Man, it's a lot of, man, look at all this. Look at all this work. All this work. Y'all only knew. But yeah, that's my journey. I'm going from Iowa all the way to California, y'all. I see y'all on the road. Yo, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. I'm in one of my favorite. It gotta be like one of my favorite rest stops in Iowa. It's clean, nice, very, very nice. Very, very nice. I love it. Clean restrooms, vending machines. It's just nice, man. It's just super nice. Very relaxing. Look at this picture. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, there y'all have it. One of my favorite rest areas. Favorite rest area, man. It's very amazing, man. It's very calming. Don't be packed. Nice area to nice seating areas, you know. Just amazing, y'all. Just very, very amazing, man. Very, very calming. It's not actually that cold. You know. My little pit stop, man. One of Polo's pit stop. One of my rest areas, man. Stop here every time. Like clockwork. So, I guess I'll catch y'all on the next one. Catch y'all on the next stop. Yo, I'm back. So there y'all have it. That's like the first day of my trip. I'm actually in Nebraska. I'm in Nebraska. This is gonna be my rest area while I sleep. So I'm at a truck stop, so it's gonna be a 2-part video, maybe 3, I don't know yet. But just stay tuned for the next episode of The Life of Polo.